Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Semret Russom. I'm super excited to have you back. If you are new to my channel, I am personally saying welcome, and also if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also hit the bell button every time I upload that you don't miss it. So let's get into the program. Welcome to another video of motivation and wellness. I'm super excited to have you guys back with me, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. I'm always bringing you videos that's gonna help inspire somebody out there. If not, you love this video just watching me talk about my experience in life, well, enjoy it. Today, I'm excited. I'm gonna be talking to you on basically, no dream is too big, right? You can have anything in this planet as long as you desire it and as long as you are looking for it, right? So today I'm gonna be sharing with you because I am in this magazine. I can't believe it. I'm in this magazine, you guys. So we're gonna talk about how this happened and how I manifest my manifestation, me being on this magazine, Oxygen magazine. So back in actually before bodybuilding, I used to buy this magazine and I used to look at magazines, the girls in this magazine, like herself on this page, and how I wanted the body, right? I really wanted inspiration, although I was always working out, but I wanted to look like that muscle definition. I was always looking at this magazine, purchasing this magazine. And so my early inspiration was Oxygen magazine. Oxygen magazine has been like the thing that I used to look at before bodybuilding. And so I used to fantasize myself wanting to look like them, but also like, oh, I could be in this magazine one day or something like that, right? And so that's how it started for me, in purchasing this magazine and putting it on my vision board, you guys. I'm gonna be sharing with you. A vision board is basically pictures, images, letters that you cut up and you put it on a board. So I made one for myself a few years ago. I got inspired, honestly, watching a YouTube channel. I was honestly, at that time in my life, I was kind of like I don't know, I wasn't in my best position wise. I was recently divorced. I didn't have a whole lot of money. I was in my lowest part of my life, you can say, not on my happy self, right? So I was like, I have nothing to lose. And this girl was sharing on her video how she made a vision board, and everything she ever wanted, she put it on a board using pictures and images that she really loved. And I was like, you know what? This sounds really cool to me. I'm gonna just find pictures that I really, really love, and I'm gonna put it out there on put it on the board. Basically, that's what I did. So that's how I started. That inspired me to create my first vision board, and I've been doing vision board now for a while. I honestly didn't know whether I wanted to be on the Oxygen magazine when I put it on my vision board, or I wanted to look like the girl on the Oxygen magazine. So needless to say, I am inside this Oxygen magazine. It shows you that when you put something out there and it comes to you, anything in life, positive, you put out positive, you receive positives. And so when you want something, you can write it down, you can cut pictures, you can paste it, you can actually create the dream that you want through pictures, through like magazines like this, through from your phone. And so I literally have created pictures, images that resonate with me, things that really make me feel like, oh my God, I can live this life. I want this house, I want this marriage, I want this baby, this car. I literally have cut pictures and put it on my vision board, and literally there's a lot of things, including my wedding ring, as creepy as it sounds, that I have it. And so when I share this with you guys, because it had worked for me, and I know it sounds weird to cut pictures and paste it and you just whatever, but trust me, try it. You have nothing to lose, right? Try it. Just find a magazine and cut it and put it glue and put it away, right? Create even letters. Sometimes our brain is just so amazing, right? You just things that inspire you, words that you see on the street, on a magazine written, or on like, I don't know, on Google or Pinterest. Pictures that you want, a car, a house, a baby, a family, a husband, travel. Like literally, I have so many things on my vision board that I wanted, and there's some of them had already come true. One of them is this. Like literally, I have this on my vision board, this magazine, the cover magazine of Oxygen magazine. I have it on my vision board, and I will show you guys. And so it is so powerful. It is so incredible how it works. One thing that I did that can help you guys if you want to try it is that I obviously had this on my vision board a few years. Some things came true fast, like my car came like within 6 months, right? But some things took years. And for example, this took like, I will say 5 years for me to be on this magazine. But like the idea is like what we put out there doesn't mean like it's gonna come overnight, but just have it as if it's gonna be part of your life and just forget about it, right? You put it on the board, everything that you wanted, whether it's career, whether it's business, whether it's marriage or family or travel or fashion, fitness, being like on a magazine like this, put it out there anyways, put it on the vision board, but be patient with yourself. Don't force things to come to you right away. Let it go as if you already received it. I know I've said that in the past video, but it's true. Being patient is key with everything that we do in life. We cannot get frustrated. You can't ask God to give you something immediately, right? You just tell God, I say, God, my wishes are to be in a happy relationship and a healthy relationship, right? You know that God is gonna help get that for you, but you have to allow God to do it in His own time, right? And so the same thing, like when you have something like this and put it on a board, don't think of it as it's coming tomorrow or the next day. Sometimes it might not come like in a year, but that's okay. It's in the process. But the process is what's exciting, right? I always check my vision board and I'm like, sometimes I look, oh my God, this came true. Let me see the note. Like things that you write it down or you put it on a vision board and you just forget about it and you go back and you look at things and you just like, oh my God, let me check this. I have this already. I did this already. I've done this already. This is on its way coming right now. Like that is the key. The key is to be patient, right? Write it down, have your vision board. Like it does not, listen, even if it doesn't come true, it's exciting, the process of it. Cutting pictures and having like your vision board, like putting it in front of, by your bedside or somewhere you can see it often, right? I often go to my vision board and look at it and I get excited, right? Get excited that you're gonna receive it. Get excited that that vision board can happen for you, right? So always dream what you desire. Don't dream for other people's what they have. Not your sister's dream, not your mom, not your cousin, not your friends, right? That is not yours. What you want from your heart. So don't go out and look at other people's life, because it's not meant for you to live their life. You have your own amazing life. So focus on you and think about being in a space that is so quiet and create that. I don't know if you need a candle, whatever you want, but be by yourself so that you can have a clear mind and cut pictures that resonates with you, that makes you feel excited about when you look at pictures that remind you that a life that you can have or a job that you would get excited. You want to be your own boss, create a picture, find an image on like the internet that would resonate with what you wanted, right? So put it out there. But the key is that when you put it out there, kind of like act like you already have it and let it go, right? Everything then is gonna come to you, whether moving, getting a new job, new place, new house, new car, relationship. I promise you, it is incredible how it works. And I know it worked for me, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. There's so many people in my life, not so many people, quite like a few people that I know personally, a good friend of mine, are very, very successful using visualization, positive thinking, images, because guess what? Your intention, your whole mind is so focused on those things for you. And so therefore, you're gonna attract those things, right? Just like if you just focus on negative stuff, that's all you're gonna attract. So when you focus on the things that you wanted, maybe there are some people out there that's gonna help you get to your dream. That maybe somebody knows what you wanted. And so sometimes it comes around without you expecting it, like looking for it. You know what I mean? And so give it a try. If you've never done it, it's fun. It sounds like some people might think it's so silly to cut pictures, but believe me, there's so many things that has worked for me. It is proven. And so I have practiced this for so many years, but I wanted to share with you guys because this came just recently, and like, in fact, today I bought this, but I was like, I'm just amazed, speechless at that, because it's like a dream come true for me, really. So it's a whole article. Let me just show you. Where is my picture? Let me find the page, sorry. I think I have it in here. So here you go. If you don't believe it. There is my story right here. Do you see it? So a whole article, a whole page about myself. Like, to somebody might be like, oh, whatever. But the idea that I want you to get from this is that you can put pictures, letters, write them down, visualizing, seeing things happening for you, like meaning like get excited, changing your life and wanting to receive good things in your life. I promise you it works. Practice makes perfect, right? It becomes part of your life. It becomes part of you. So try it. If you haven't tried it, try putting pictures. And I'm also gonna show you guys how to make vision board, what vision board is, and so that way you guys can practice with me if you never have done it, if you never heard of it. But yeah, so I am so excited to share this with you guys, and the key here is to be patient with everything that you do. And you know, just because you have the picture, that doesn't mean it's gonna happen overnight. So be patient, kind of let it go. Just get excited about the process of it. Don't worry about the when it's gonna happen, how it's gonna happen, right? You don't ask God, how is this gonna happen? You just say, God, this is what I wanted. You let it go, basically, right? And so that's what I want to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button. I'm always gonna be sharing with you guys things that work for me in my life in hopes that inspires you guys. So till next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.